I had a dream, I had faith in that dream, and I loved the job. Even if Facebook failed, my love would still be there. There must be a dream in life. That dream must also be fulfilled. If you want to succeed, you have to face all the challenges that come your way. Challenges cannot be taken selectively. Knowledge, kindness, and courage, these are the three greatest human virtues. There is no bravery in never falling. True courage lies in falling and getting up again. If you know how to dream, the thorns of life become roses. Never give up, these gritted teeth. Now will give you the title of winner for the rest of your life. There are many things in life that are out of your control, and there is no point in worrying about them, because beyond that you have thousands of things in your hands that you can conquer. You can bring out the best in yourself by looking for the good in others. In life I have made thousands of mistakes, stumbled thousands of times, and I am proud of it. Every mistake, every stumble made me stronger, more mature. Look at the sky. We are not alone. The whole universe is friendly to us. The world conspires to give the best only to those who dream and work. Instead of fearing failure, fear sitting without trying. If something is really important to you, no obstacle can stop you. If no one laughs at your goal, then you must understand that your goal is too small. Most dear to the Creator are the rich, who, despite being rich, are as humble as the poor. Try to tap into the hidden power of nature. The secret power is patience. Everyone's life has a story. It is never possible to go back in time to change the beginning of the story, but through hard work, you can rearrange the end of the story if you want. The key to success is to focus our conscious mind on what we want and not on what we fear. Let them make fun of you, laugh at you, hurt you, despise you. It will not matter, but don't let them stop you. It is the effort to succeed in spite of uncertainty, frustration, and obstacles that separates the strong from the weak. Small things put together make big things. A catastrophic flood is caused by a drop of water. Happiness and sorrow are related to each other, just as a rose is related to a thorn. Most people give up just before they succeed. At the very last moment of the game, a foot before the touchline, they conceded defeat. Truly, any difficult situation can be overcome. People just can't live up to the hardships they imagine in their minds. To understand how big a man's achievement is, see how big obstacles he has overcome on the way to achievement. Either be depressed or inspire yourself. It all depends on you.